Hello, class. I am going to show you what to expect inside your Schoology folders each week. So if you click on your class in Schoology, as you see here, this is English 4, period 1. So click on your class in Schoology, and inside each week you will find the link to our morning meetings. So period 1 and 4, you will be meeting A, B, and E days in the morning, and periods 5 and 9, you will be meeting on C, D, and F days in the afternoon. And you will find the link there in Schoology. In addition, each week you will have your weekly folder. So you can see this red folder is week 1, starting 9/14 and ending on 9/18. And each week there will be these 4 different activities: a journal, some videos on building background, building some extra knowledge about the content that we're studying, text, there'll be a reading, and questions that you will answer. So let's take a look inside. Here you will see the journal. You see that this week we have 3 short videos that build background and understanding about our topic. We see a text, and we have our text-dependent and discussion questions. The journal will be a See, Think, Wonder, and a relation question. So you're going to this week look at this image, and you're going to respond about what you see and what you think and what you wonder and how this relates to your life or things you have studied in school. And you can see here your rubric. So we are looking for you to use the vocabulary that you know, that you learn in class and you've learned in your English classes over the last 3 years of high school. And you are to work on writing your best sentences. So you want to make sure that you're starting with capital letters and that you're using punctuation. You are also able to respond to your classmates. If we look here, Lojan gives us an excellent response. This is the level of response that we are ideally looking for. You can see that she has fully addressed each question. Okay. Then you're going to look at your building background. Here, you'll be given a prompt. You are to watch the video, and then you are to respond to just one of the following questions. You are going to put down one thing you thought was interesting or something new that you learned, and then you're going to ask your classmates, what did you think about that? Or maybe there was something that you didn't understand, that you were confused about. You're going to ask your classmates what that thing is. Have them try to explain to you the thing you're confused about. Or you may disagree with some information or opinion that was expressed in the video. So you're going to write down your disagreement and then see what your classmates think. So for these discussions, you're picking out one thing you learned, were confused about, or disagreed with, but then you're also required to respond to your classmates. So you need to respond to one person. Try not to just respond to one person. You want everybody to have had a conversation. So if you see that nobody has responded to a classmate, then choose that one to respond to. So this week we have 3 videos and then the text. You're going to annotate the text and then upload those annotations. You get credit for highlighting and annotating your text. Lastly, you have your text-dependent questions. So you'll see here your rubric, and if you click on this document here, you have 5 questions to answer this week about the text. Please use evidence from the text to support your answer. And then upload your responses. So thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing you in class where we'll go over this more thoroughly. But this is just a how to do your weekly English work inside your Schoology folder. Thanks, folks.